Hi, I'm Rick Bucata, Medical Director here at the Center for Medical Education. I'd like to give you a brief overview of our upcoming Original Boot Camp course that we'll be holding in December in Las Vegas. By way of background, we began the course 11 years ago, and since then have had over 22,000 participants either at the live course or taking the self-study program. Obviously, we're extraordinarily proud of the course and feel it has made a significant impact on the quality of emergency care in this country. The main course lasts 3.5 days and is packed with evidence-based information designed to make anyone a better clinician. The 11 faculty are all frontline pros who present with energy and enthusiasm. We'll cover 48 topics, have 6 faculty panels. Regarding audience questions or comments, they can be made during the course using a phone-based app and with questions answered by the faculty as they're submitted. In addition to the main course, we have 3 optional workshops in which you can participate. On the day preceding the main course, we have a full ultrasound workshop. All the instructors have taken ultrasound fellowships, and the vast majority of the course involves hands-on learning. There are live models at each station with 4 students and 1 instructor per station, so there's lots of hands-on personal instruction. There's also a full day of our advanced pharmacology workshop focusing on the drugs used in emergency medicine, as well as both the common and newer drugs that patients presenting to the ED may be taking. The workshop is presented by a frontline acute care pharmacology expert, and the course is approved by both the AMA and the AANP for their nursing credit. The pharmacology course can be taken in half and full day segments. Interested in honing your procedural skills? We got that covered. We have 2 half-day emergency procedure courses conducted by 4 emergency physicians with a group class size of 40. So there's lots of time for hands-on practice, multiple simulators for you to use. Check out the website for a list of all the procedures that will be covered in the course. And a final point regarding the workshops, there's also a second full-day ultrasound workshop that's conducted 2 days before the main course. If you'd like to participate in that workshop, you can take the pharmacology course, which is on the next day at no charge. So that's it. Invest in yourself and join us for a course that will tangibly enhance your emergency medicine or urgent care knowledge and skills while renewing your enthusiasm for your practice and improving the care of your patients. This is Rick Bucata signing off. We hope to see you at one of the upcoming courses. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.